Alright guys, today I got 21 Honda Pilot. Maintenance light is on. And let me show you this. Fire it up. Maintenance due, D7. I've never done one, so I think I'm going to go to this. Okay, I'm going to hit enter to hide that. I'm going to hit this home button. And I'm going to scroll down to maintenance. I'm going to hit enter. And our oil life, I'm going to enter. I'm going to try holding this button down. Which doesn't seem to be doing anything. What? Oh, all due items. That worked. I didn't think it was working. Not bad for a first try. I hope that helps somebody out. Anyway, there you go.